Hello everybody, I'm Andy Molnar and welcome to the lab. It is good to have you here. Today's, all the labs frankly will be fairly short. It's largely an introduction to Splunk logging. And hey, speaking of introductions, hopefully you've taken the time, if not, go back and do it now, to open up the PowerPoint that I had on lab week 1 and then listen to the video that goes with it, right? It just gives you a general overview of Splunk and how it's set up. That's important because as we enter into step 1 of the lab, which is really today just about logging on and then finding your location using a visualization tool. So what we've already set up for you when you watch that introductory video on how Splunk works in the bigger picture, we've already created an index for you with the data. And your Splunk Enterprise or your tool's already sitting, your forwarder is already sitting there. It has the data in it. And so in this index, right? And so you're already operating or querying an index of data that already exists for you. It's sample data, right? And so what I want you to read the PowerPoint, and watch that opening video just to get some familiarity on these terms. Then do this lab and follow the instructions. Each lab will have a short section of some lessons and some information you'll need. At the end of these 10 weeks, you'll take an exam in the lab. And all of the exam questions are going to come from these notes that you find week by week, right? So make sure you read them, become familiar with them, maybe collect them in your own way into a single document if you prefer, right? That's up to you, but it's probably a good idea. So today you're going to log on. Now when you log on, oftentimes, regardless of what browser you're using, it's going to say, continue to this website, not recommended, but it is. It is a school website. It will just not be in a format. It's in a format that makes general security go, I don't know. It's good. It's a UoNA site that it is safe. So follow the instructions to connect and then follow the instructions for logging on. The first time. I may not repeat the logon instructions in future lessons. I expect at that point that you have saved the link and have your username and password and are able to log on to Splunk yourself. So this first lab has 2 parts. It's how to log on, and then it's a specific assignment, kind of like a cookbook a little bit. So follow the directions and try and feel your way around. It's a GUI interface, graphical user interface. We use them all the time, no matter what program we're using. A graphical user interface. It has file, edit, format tabs, draw, design, review, view, things like that, right? So look around. Look for the visualization tab, which is at the end of your homework assignment, and find your geolocation. That's fun. Okay, I just wanted to say hi. Welcome to the course. Welcome to UoNA if this is your first class, and let's make it a great experience. If you have feedback, send it to me directly. I am here to make it better for you. Okay, I look forward to seeing you online. Thank you.